All right, so YouTube, today I'm gonna demonstrate to y'all how I start my haircuts, whatever, and finish, and then take the pictures so we can upload to Instagram, all right? I got my model right here, Dom, right here is Dominique, and great client of mine, and I'm gonna show you how I do the before and after. And so this is how it looks like right now. And on the pictures, on the camera I'm gonna be using is the Canon 70D. I just wanna show y'all ain't gotta have the most expensive camera to start off with it. The Canon 70D, and I'm shooting with the 50mm 1.8. And so I'm gonna show you how this looks as far as the before and after, but this is my camera I'm using. So sit back and then get started on this cut, and I'll be back with y'all. All right, so we're still keeping it super thick. Are we doing the two? Are we cutting it down today, or are we keeping it? What you think? Down a little bit. A tad bit, okay. Yeah. Just like a refresher today? Yeah. Okay. All right, bet. How he looking right now? It's my model. My model right here, got him fresh to death, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna take a picture of this and pretty much just like, show y'all the process and kind of how I do it. Guess I'm gonna try two different angles to see how it looks as far as the angle. I'm gonna turn it around. Ooh, that thing is clean. Yes, sir. This is the angle I was getting the other day. That might be my one. That might be it. Hey, I'm telling y'all, wait till I post this picture. It is fire. Yeesh. Sheesh. Hey, I'll tell y'all, this thing lit, boy. This thing is lit. And so, like, I got a Canon EOS R2 as well, and I like to do my videos on there, but I've gotten so used to the pictures off of here. Like, it don't matter as long as the lighting and stuff is right, like, it doesn't matter. I'm just tapping the screen, because I like to see like the screen. I don't like looking through the viewfinder, because I could easily do like this and turn it off live view mode, but I don't want to. Like, I don't really like doing it. I like to see the subject. I have a better idea of how I'm gonna shoot it. Tap on his face, let it focus, boom. Clean. So I'm about to start over and switch the scene, and I'm gonna give y'all a little advice on how to use the apps and stuff like that and Wi-Fi straight to your phone. All right, to the next. So I just want to show you guys, when you got your clients and stuff, just to, I mean, it might be simple to some people out there, but for people who are just trying to begin their journey on taking pictures and doing video, just take pictures. Just keep practicing with the different lighting, play with the settings, the f-stop, learn about the f-stop, learn about the ISO, learn about the shutter speed. Those are the three things you need to know when you get your DSLR camera and a mirrorless camera. So the lens, like I said, I use the 50mm 1.4. I got another 50mm 1.8. They're prime lenses and they're good to start out with. It's an affordable price. The 50 millimeter 1.8 is really affordable, and the 50 millimeter 1.4 is kind of like in the middle. But the 50 millimeter 1.2 is more expensive. I didn't really want that one. I understand like f-stop and stuff. I didn't really think that I needed it for the type of pictures that I'm gonna be taking, because I do a lot of headshots and I like to post for Instagram for like my haircuts and stuff like that. Snapseed is the app that I use to edit my pictures, so I will Wi-Fi it to my phone and like turn up the sharpness a little bit. If the person got too many pimples, I'll go ahead and hit the healing option. Yeah, the healing option, and it would like take some of the pimples off if their skin is not smooth enough. But I won't do crazy edits because I still want to look natural and not too magazine look, like to where it's like smoothing out, looks fake. I like to show like the rawness of it, but like with a little bit of touch up. So the whole objective is to attract clients. Like they want to see clean work. And I just want to encourage anybody to just start picking up the camera. Use your phone. You don't have to have a fancy camera. Your iPhone, now that the iPhones and the Androids, like they take pretty good pictures. So just use what you got, play with the different settings. Portrait mode is pretty good too for if you got an iPhone. I don't know much about the Android side. But yeah, just try that out. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I just wanted to make something that was quick. I'm trying to post more content, kind of show y'all the more regular stuff that I do. But yeah, I thought it would be a fun video, show you guys why it's important for entrepreneurs to take pictures of their work, especially barbers, because I'm a barber. So I just want to show you guys kind of what I do. Like I said, I like to shoot my pictures in live view mode instead of looking through the actual hole of the camera. So I just want you guys to kind of see like how I do it. And I'll put some stuff up here on the screen so you can kind of see what I'm doing as far as the edit or whatever, and kind of walk you guys through it. But yeah, that's how I do it. And I'll come up with something else to post for entrepreneurships and stuff like that. And yeah, hit y'all on another one, man. I'm out. Peace. Sheesh. Let them know, Dom. How you feel? In the game? This is it. Yes, sir. Turn to the side. Let them see that. Ah. Come on now. Come on now. Elevation Grooming Studio. You already know what it is, man.
Yeah, you outdid yourself on this.
Beard gang strong. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out.